Hey everyone, Mr. Andrew here. Today I wanted to talk about noble gas notation. Noble gas notation is basically a shorthand way of writing electron configurations, and it takes advantage of this last column right here on the periodic table. These are called the noble gases. Okay, so we're talking about helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. So these are called noble gases, and one of their defining characteristics is they're incredibly stable. So, scientists devised a way of representing electron configurations in a way that uses these noble gases to represent large chunks of the standard electron configuration. Let me give you an example. Let's say we're talking about potassium. Okay? Potassium's normal electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. Okay? Now, this notation is actually really long, okay? But let's look at the noble gas that comes just before it, argon. Okay? Argon, its electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. I got 6 a little bit. No. There we go. That's a nicer 6. So if we compare these electron configurations, we can see that actually this whole section right here is exactly the same. So what scientists decided to do is instead substitute in the atomic symbol for argon in brackets in this like squared type parentheses, and then add on whatever is left for potassium, and this becomes potassium's noble gas notation. And we can do this for any element on the periodic table. Let's try another one. Let's go with green. Okay. Let's do chlorine. Okay. Chlorine, its electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5, because it's in this last group right here. Okay. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Okay? If we look at the noble gas that comes in the energy level just before it, neon, right here, neon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So again, scientists decide for chlorine, let's just substitute this out because they're exactly the same. So chlorine's noble gas notation becomes neon in brackets, because we're switching out the atomic symbol for neon for this whole piece. And then we continue on with what's left over. 3s2, 3p5. Okay, this is the noble gas notation. So hopefully this was able to help you out. Feel free to stop by and ask me any questions if you're still stuck on this, and I will see you next time.